Hi everyone, Autumn here. Today I will be showing you how to get this Draculaura cosplay thing. And this isn't like a full out Draculaura thing that a lot of people have been doing for Monster High because I don't really have the materials for it, but it was the best that I could do, so hope you enjoy.
Okay, so to start off, we're gonna attack our face with makeup using this Athena paint palette, and I'm using this light pink shade that I've mixed with white to create an even lighter pink, just because her skin is lighter than the pink that's actually in this palette. So I just painted it on my face, and now I'm blending it out with the Beauty Blender. By the way, this took forever. I had to go back in and get more pink and white, mix them together again, and then paint it all over. And I, of course, had to do my neck and my ear and everything just to get the full Draculaura effect. Then I went in and highlighted parts of my face that I normally would with white, and I just blended that out with my painting brush and then with my Beauty Blender. And then I added another layer of like the light pink and white mixture. So now I am going to take a setting powder, because if I do not set this paint, it will literally slip off my face and melt. All right, now I'm taking the Beauty Bay Pastels palette and taking the pink and just using that to carve out my cheekbones and contour as I normally would, but it's obviously a little bit harder. I'm just doing a little bit here and there to add more color, and I also used some blush to add more pink to my face. Alright, my favorite part, besides the eyes of course, just gonna apply some highlighter now to the same points as we would. And now for the eyes, we're applying the Beauty Bay eye base and taking the ColourPop Too Hot eyeshadow palette and just going into my crease with this medium pink shade and winging it out just a little bit. Now just blending that out with a floofy brush, and I'm going to take this hot pink shade and define my crease a little bit and mix that in with the floofy brush again, and you know, just do as I'm doing. Now I'm just going to add a shimmery pink shade as the lid color, and now I'm going to blend out my lower lash line, kind of swooping it up into the corners, and now I'm adding some white liner and paint. Dipping back into the Athena palette, I'm taking this hot pink and drawing the signature birthmark that Draculaura has, as every Monster High fan knows. Now onto the liner, where I could go very wrong very quickly. So I'm just drawing this like extremely dramatic wing, which I low-key messed up on the edge, but I blended it out and it fixed it. So I just took the liquid liner and drew a line underneath to mimic what the doll's eyes kind of look like, and I'm just drawing some aggressively fake lashes. Lip time! So now I'm just gonna take a hot pink lipstick and just go to town, and I also like to go in with a pink eyeshadow just to set it. And now I'm going to try to draw fangs, which I royally failed at. I actually ended up redrawing them.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial for Monster High's Draculaura. Comment down below what your favorite Monster High character is and your favorite Monster High movie, because I want to know. Personally, my favorite Monster High movie has got to be 13 Wishes or Ghouls Rule. They're both really great. Favorite Monster High character? Holt Hyde or Abby Abominable. I know Holt is like a secondary character, but like, love him so much. Comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!